Are more than a party trick. They are a demonstration of flexibility, strength, and discipline. Many think they're impossible, reserved only for gymnasts or dancers. That's a myth. With the right training, consistent effort, and a disciplined mindset, you can achieve this milestone. This journey is for anyone improving their body's capabilities. It's about consistent dedication built on the GymProLife pillars: strength, flexibility, discipline. Most people fail not from lack of ability, but lack of a plan. They push too hard, too fast, and end up with injuries or burnout. This routine is engineered to prepare your body safely. We'll build mobility and stability first. Get ready to train with purpose. Let's begin the work. Welcome to your dynamic warm-up. The purpose of these next 6 minutes is not to exhaust you, but to prepare you. We are systematically increasing your body's core temperature, lubricating your joints, and activating key muscle groups. This is the essential groundwork that makes your stretching more effective and, most importantly, safer. Every movement is designed to improve mobility and signal to your body that it's time to work. Let's begin with intention.